Welcome to SN Auto Luxury, your one-stop destination for in-depth automobile reviews, features, and specifications. If you love cars and want to stay updated with the latest trends, then you are at the right place. Today, we are talking about the Ford Figo, a car that has been a favorite among hatchback enthusiasts due to its performance, features, and value for money proposition. The Ford Figo is a compact hatchback that has earned a solid reputation for its robust build quality, peppy performance, and advanced safety features. It comes with two engine options, a 1.2L petrol engine and a 1.5L diesel engine, both of which offer a smooth and efficient driving experience. The petrol variant produces around 96 PS of power, while the diesel variant delivers an impressive 100 PS. Both engines are paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, and the petrol variant also offers a 6-speed automatic transmission option for those who prefer convenience. One of the standout features of the Ford Figo is its dynamic design, which includes a bold front grille, sleek headlamps, and stylish alloy wheels. The sporty stance of the car makes it appealing to young buyers who want a blend of performance and style. The interiors are equally impressive, with a well-laid-out dashboard, a touchscreen infotainment system, and comfortable seating with good legroom and headroom for passengers. The cabin feels premium with high-quality materials used throughout. When it comes to safety, Ford has equipped the Figo with a host of features that provide peace of mind to the driver and passengers. The car comes with dual airbags as standard, while the top-end variants offer up to 6 airbags. It also features ABS with EBD, rear parking sensors, and an anti-theft alarm system. The presence of electronic stability control and traction control in higher variants adds to the overall safety and stability of the vehicle, making it a reliable choice for city and highway driving. Fuel efficiency is another strong point of the Ford Figo. The petrol variant delivers around 18 to 20 kmpl, while the diesel variant can go up to 24 to 25 kmpl, making it an economical choice for daily commuters. The car offers a smooth suspension setup that absorbs bumps well, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough roads. The steering is well weighted, offering good feedback, which enhances the driving experience. Technology and convenience features in the Ford Figo include a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, steering-mounted controls, automatic climate control, keyless entry, and push-button start. The car also gets power-adjustable ORVMs, rain-sensing wipers, and automatic headlamps in higher trims, adding to the convenience factor. For those who love spirited driving, the Ford Figo does not disappoint. The diesel engine, in particular, offers strong torque delivery, making highway overtaking effortless. The suspension setup is tuned to provide a balance between comfort and handling, ensuring a confident and planted feel at high speeds. Ford has also focused on providing good NVH noise, vibration, and harshness levels, making the cabin quiet and comfortable for long journeys. The Ford Figo competes with other hatchbacks like the Maruti Swift, Hyundai Grand i10 Neos, and Tata Altras. However, it sets itself apart with its solid build quality, engaging driving dynamics, and advanced safety features. While some may find the rear seat space slightly less compared to rivals, the overall package makes it a compelling choice for those who prioritize driving pleasure and safety. That sums up our review of the Ford Figo. If you found this video informative, do give it a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments section. For more such car reviews, specs, and feature breakdowns, make sure to subscribe to SN Auto Luxury and hit the bell icon to stay notified. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. I've created the note for your YouTube video, including your channel introduction, a detailed Ford Figo review, and a call to subscribe at the end. Let me know if you'd like any modifications.